Hello and welcome to the video. It's time to pick the names out of the hat for the prizes that I did over the Christmas period. Now I need to say a big thank you to Menace RC and Marcus Muller, the guy behind eCalc, for providing these prizes. Now I've done this for the past 2 or 3 years, and it's nice when vendors, particularly ones that I rate, are willing to put a little bit of stuff on the table to act as kind of goodies. And hopefully for those of you that got involved with this stuff, it has been a lot of fun. I need to say a massive thank you to those of you that did get involved with the spirit of the giveaways and had a little fun as well. But now it's time to pick those names out of the hat. Now there were prizes from Christmas Eve all the way up to New Year's Eve, so let's jump on the computer and I'll very quickly show you who's won what. Stay tuned to the end if you're a winner to find out what you need to do to claim your prizes. First prize draw was on Christmas Eve, 24th of December. Now that was for a 2-month eCalc subscription. Thank you again to Marcus Muller and eCalc for providing these prizes. And the winner of that first eCalc subscription is Anthony Townsend. Anthony, congratulations. Now you can have a play with this stuff. I use eCalc an awful lot more now. Now I know how to use it. Check out my videos on how all that stuff works. Next draw then was on Christmas Day. This draw was for a Menace RC antenna pack, either a digital antenna pack or an analog version. You can choose your own. The winner of the Menace RC antenna pack is Rolly Weisner. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that name right, Rolly. Congratulations, you have won one of those packs. The next draw then was on Boxing Day, the 26th of December. That was for another 2-month eCalc subscription. And the winner of that second subscription is Ice Cream 62. Ice Cream 62, congratulations. You two will now be able to play around with this stuff in the new year. Then the next giveaway was on the 27th of December. That was for another Menace RC antenna pack. Again, either an analog or digital. You can choose which one you want. And the winner of that second antenna pack is Boiler Boy 1981. Boiler Boy, congratulations. So we're now at the halfway point. 28th of December's prize was another 2-month eCalc subscription, and the winner of that subscription is Frank De Broy. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. Apologies, Frank. It looks like you're a Swiss gentleman as well, which is good. Then we had the 29th of December, which was another eCalc subscription, and that one was won by Wanderley Simones Jr. Congratulations, Wanderley. Only 2 more to go. The 30th of December was for the Menace RC wing pack. That's something he kind of made up for us here. That's the Cobb LEDs. It's the RC switch and also an aero pod as well. And that one was won by Ovo. Ovo, congratulations. And the last prize draw for this time was on New Year's Eve, 31st of December, for another eCalc 2-month subscription. And that eCalc subscription was won by Ken Porter. Ken, congratulations. So congratulations to every single one of you winners. Commiserations to those of you that didn't win. Hopefully there will be more giveaways in the next month or two, so do stay tuned. Make sure you have the bell notification icon on and you are subscribed, because I do occasionally sneak away giveaways at the end of things as well, rather than make them obvious. I like to reward people who watch my videos because they like my videos rather than they just want free stuff. But for some of you, you now are excited, hopefully after watching the video, that you just won something. Now I'm going to give all of you 7 days to claim your prizes. If you don't claim it within 7 days, I reserve the right to redraw that particular prize. All you have to do to claim your prize is pop me an email to lee@painless360.com. We'll go through a quick thing to confirm it's the right person, because believe it or not, I've had people trying to claim prizes fraudulently in the past. Then once we've done that, I can get it all sorted out for you. The eCalc subscriptions are going to be very quick and easy. Once I have all of the confirmed email addresses, I'll send them over to Marcus at eCalc and he can get the subscriptions out to you. And then once we've done all the other stuff with the Menace RC stuff, you can let me know whether you want, which antenna pack you want, and also get your shipping address stuff to me, and I can pass those on to Greg at Menace, and he can get those things out too. Thank you again for getting involved with the spirit of this. Hope it's been a little bit of fun. Normal service will be resumed at the weekend, and the normal kind of videos will be out. But best wishes for the new year and 2023. Here's hoping it gets a little bit better than last year. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.